Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Peter and I was born in Belfast, Northern Ireland, and I'm proud to come from Belfast in Ireland, and my accent is from Belfast, Northern Ireland. This is my natural accent. 5 things that you might hear in Belfast. That's a gag. She's a melter. How dare you speak to me like that? That's us now. And wind your neck in. Now I'm going to read the following sentences, starting with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think that it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favourite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for x-ray, Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. Musician, I live in London. I'm from Belfast originally, and the reason I'm doing this video is just because I feel like there's not much resource for Northern Irish accents, and I feel like a lot of people do the same accent for Irish, Northern Irish, or their Northern Irish accent is just not great. I think also Jamie Dornan's a good resource, I think, for that if you want to learn more about this sort of the Northern Irish accent. It's very different from the Southern accent. I can't actually do a Southern Irish accent or a accent from the Republic of Ireland, so yeah, but I hope that you were able to keep up. And if you want to follow me on Instagram or TikTok, on Instagram my username is Pete Roberts, Roberts with a 0, so R0BERTS, and I think my TikTok is also the same if you want to listen to some music. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.